Alrighty, so this is the box with the memorabilia in it. And just so you know, there's two sides to each of these packages. I'm only showing you the one side, but I'm going to show you both sides of this. So there's the one side, and then the other side is that, which is really, really cool. And this is how you open it up. That's why I'm turning it over and showing you this side of it. So it slides in and opens like that. So open it up, and so anyhow, you can see right inside, right on the top, a really sweet, and it looks like an autograph photo. It looks like real autographs. I can't imagine how they got this. I mean, this would have to be so old because Keith Moon died 40 plus years ago, or about 40 years ago. Anyhow, it's a beautiful photo, and if they're not real autos, they're really nicely done autos, probably auto pen. So that's the photo, really nice. Then there's a collection of buttons. They're physical. You could wear these. They're metal buttons. You can see there's 4 of them there. Nice. There's a couple of small books. There's this rainbow show, which is there was a show. Hopefully you can see. It's from this show right here. That it's at the bottom. Anyhow, it's probably it's a program of sorts, but it's focused on it's really focused on the Who mostly, but it's really nice, really nice. Also another program, and this is a lot like the outside cover that I showed you. You can see it's from this concert right here, 1971. Anyhow, cool. And then there's 3 posters. There's the rainbow poster. There's the Fillmore show poster. And I'm not opening these up because I want to try to be careful with them when I do open them up. This is the other, there's 3 posters. So that's it. This one, sorry, this is a little long. Be back for more.